huh? Mary, big know your daughter.
Yeah, you're right.
She's better. Her bag is open. You buy the nice car.
You okay?
The bag of the girl is open. In the back. Her bag is open.
Oh, you're back.
Yeah. Where are you going?
Hey, I'm going to shop.
It's easy to look after than this.
Eh?
This one always escape. And she always using mobile picture. People angry to
Where
me.
he escaped?
At least she don't picture na. She don't picture taking
Always
people.
make a video.
Yeah, I will delete. She don't picture taking the people now. It's good. She don't use mobile. How's mommy? Is it okay? Yeah. You happy?
Yeah.
You miss him?
She's being a therapy today.
Ah, why?
Then mental health therapy.
Did you have ADHD as well?
No, Josh, because she need
Anxiety. Anxiety.
What I mean?
It's like depressed.
No, she needed someone to talk to her as well.
Ah, don't know yet. Don't know yet what the effect. But the causing of the problem, every breakdown family like causing. That's only when we separate as well.
Yeah.
Don't worry, be strong.
No, I know.
Yeah,
She's
it's still
fine, she's good.
our gift from God.
Okay, take care.
Yeah, okay, you
Bye.
take care. I'll ring you next time when you're free. Okay, take care then. I'll go in the shop. At least he's with you. Let's go now. Carry the basket. Stop picturing.